khumbula wena hlizi.
USomizi Mhlongo umchaze umama wakhe njengomntu ophile ubomi bakhe ngokugqibeleleyo. Uthi nangona exelekile kodwa uxolile ngokuba umama wakhe ube nethuba lokubona imisebenzi yakhe ngethuba esidla amazimba.
I'm not sad because my mother is gone. I'm just sad because my umbilical cord has been cut completely. But I am so at peace with what my mother has achieved. She's seen me walking down the aisle. She's seen her granddaughters. She's seen her sisters, her families. She loved her family loved her.
Uthi ebengumntu obezinikezele kakhulu kumsebenzi wakhe kwaye uza kukhumbula ngalo lonke ixesha inkuthazo zakhe.
My mother was a very successful woman in every aspect, at home, in her profession. 60 years in show business is no child's play. The most disciplined, her work ethic is amazing. If I could achieve a quarter of what my mother had achieved, I would have made it. Very generous, very cheeky, very optimistic. Every time I call my mother, the first word she would say, "Hello, darling," and then everything else would just be okay.
Ukanti Nogxa bakhe bathi uza kuhlala ihleli ezinhlizweni zabo.
Sibonga kakhulu ngoba ngetalent, sibonga kakhulu ngawo konke osenzele kona thina esesekhona esesela kule industry oyibekile into kebandla. Siyabonga kakhulu.
You worked until the last day. You are a real legend. Sikushayela indesheni mama. Siyakuhlonipha. Phumula lala ngoxolo. Usishiyele iligazi.
Umama uTwala usolekene eminyaka engamashumi asibhozo makalale ngoxolo.